If you also feel that your wallet is turning into a small brick in your pocket, then this video is for you, because I'm gonna share you my everyday carry slim wallet collection and give you inspiration on why you should stop using those old, chunky, bulky grandpa wallet that you put into the back pocket and replace them with these sexy slim wallets. Let's start. Before I dive and show you all my wallet collection, let me quickly welcome new members who are watching my video for the first time. Hi, my name is Ayan, and on this channel I talk about tech, travel and transform. So if you resonate with any of that, smash that subscribe button and like this video. So for a really long time, I had been using those old bulky grandpa style wallets that you used to put into the back pocket because they don't fit into the front pocket, and they have all sort of things from cash, cards, receipt, and every random thing that you put into that wallet that never sees the light of the day, but it still sits there. And I stopped using it since I started investing in good everyday carry items, especially these sleek wallets that I'm gonna be showing you. The bad part about those bulky wallets is you put it into the back pocket, and slowly, eventually, when you start sitting, you develop a back pain, which is not good for you at all. So I highly recommend you to skip those bulky wallets and replace them with this series of EDC wallets, slim wallets that I'm gonna show you. Also, apart from that, I'm gonna show you some sleek options for multi-fold wallets if you want to carry more cash, if you want to carry more cards and other things in your wallet. So let me turn over the overhead camera and walk you through all the wallets I have in there. I have a total of 9 wallets. I'll show you my requirement with the wallet, and then I'll walk you through one by one so you can pick the right wallet for you. But before that, let me mention that this video is not sponsored by any of the wallet manufacturer. I bought all this wallet from my very own hard-earned money, but I'll try to find links to all this wallet, so if you want to pick anyone, you can check the description and order this for you. Alright, so over here I have 9 different wallets from my everyday carry wallet collection. And before I show you each and every wallet, I want to share about my requirement. So for a quick everyday carry wallet, I usually want to carry 2 to 3 cards, which is generally a credit card, a debit card, maybe a card for a local gym membership, or a traveler's card, or sometimes I also like to carry one ID card. So consider it like credit card, debit card, ID card, and one traveler's card. It's good if I get to carry at least 1 or 2 notes of currency. Usually I carry the biggest note of currency in that country, for example 2000 rupees note in India or 500 rupees note in India. And then it's good if I can carry one business card, 1 or 2 business card, and additionally it would be great if I can carry a few photos. So based on that, these are all the wallets that I use on daily basis. So I'll share each and every one in detail, but let's start with one of my favorite, which is the Apple MagSafe wallet. So this is the wallet that attaches with your phone. It's officially made by Apple, and I have extensively used it, as you can see from the color discoloration over here. So this is the leather edition, which used to come previously before Apple banned the leather wallet. So this wallet can easily take 2 or 3 cards, as you can see over here. And additionally, I can also replace one card and put some cash over here pretty easily. And because it attaches to the phone, it's very easy and convenient. And this one comes with Find My capability. So if you detach your wallet, if you leave it everywhere, you can track it on the app. The good part about this wallet is that I use it for traveling and carry 2 or 3 cards, which I use quite often. So this could be my traveler's card for metro station, for buses, and this could be my traveler forex card or a credit card, which I use while I'm traveling. And because it attaches to the phone all the time, it's very handy. So that was the first wallet. Now let's move towards the second wallet, which is also my favorite, especially while traveling. So this is the wallet made by an Australian company called Belroy, and this one is made with a very good quality leather. Belroy is known for its material. So over here you can see the opening mechanism is like this because it is held together by magnets. And this is the slim wallet. It also comes in another format, but I am using it like this. So over here you have 2 slots to put your card. So one card can go in there, one card can go in there. Then over here I can put some cash, and then you can put your card, your business card, your photos, so everywhere over here. And you can see that it has a pull tab over here, so you can pull the card out like this. So this one is really handy, and this one can carry a lot of cards. I think it can easily carry 7 to 8 cards, and the mechanism is pretty secure, especially for the slim wallet like this, having a magnet and retaining the shape. It looks really sexy. Moving to the third wallet, this is two wallets made by the same company, same designer. It's by a small business company known as Atal. I don't think they have a website or an e-store, but you can order them from their Instagram page. It's called ATOLL, handicrafted in India. So these two wallets are made by the same company. One comes with this sleeve design and one comes in this button design. So if you talk about this button design, this is how it looks. It's very sleek, it's very good quality leather, and the buttons are good. And we get 3 pockets. On the back I can put some cash, and on the front it can carry at least 3 to 4 cards pretty easily, as you can see from here. And once you lock down the button, it's very sleek, very minimal, and it looks very sexy. So this is the wallet by Atal. And similarly, I have another wallet by the same company, same designer, but I really like this wallet because this have a quick pocket at the back where I can put on one of the card which I use on a frequently basis. So I can just pull out the card from here without opening the wallet. But if you open the wallet, you have just one slot where you can put your other cards as well as some cash, some photos, and all sort of things. And this can close down like this. Again, a extremely slim wallet, designed and made in India by a local designer, by a small business. So if you like this, do support them by buying from them. Again, this is not a sponsored video, so yeah. Moving towards the next wallet, and this is something that I am currently using, and I am also a big fan of this company. Again, an Australian company. It's made by a company called Alpaka. This is their logo. You can see there is no branding outside whatever at all. And we have 4 card slots over there, and then we have this slit where you can push out some cash. So it can easily carry your credit card, your traveler's card, and the back you can put your debit card, and you can put your identification. And in this slit you can put in some cash pretty easily. And this is my current wallet setup, which I have been using on daily basis. It's not the cheapest wallet out there, but this is something that I really like. This is made by recycled plastic bottles, and that's why Alpaka is known for. So if you care about that, if you don't want some leather wallets, if you want a sleek wallet which is not made of natural leather, then you could go for this. So these are all the sleek wallets that I used as my everyday carry, but oftentimes I feel need to carry more cards, more cash, and more things. And this is where I recommend these 3 wallets. These are a bit bulky than compared to these sleek wallet, but these are still very sleek and still very functional compared to other bulky wallets out there. So starting from this is I don't know which company make this, but I actually picked it up from Amazon and actually modified it a bit. So this is actually a money clip, and this is not part of the wallet. I added it myself later on by actually cutting it and putting this money clip there. So over here you can put anything like your money or your business card, something like this, and it has a lot of slots. It also have a zipper over here, so you can put in some coins. But if you talk about the card slot, it has one over here, one over here, one over here, that's 3, one over here 4, 5, 6, 7, and for your ID you have this look through window. So if you're going through any club, you can just show it like this. So that is also a very sleek setup, and your cash can be secured over here. Again, a very sleek setup. I really like this wallet. The material is not the best out there. I think it's vegan leather, but it's also very good. On the outside you get 2 extra slots, and one slot comes with this finger thing where you can actually push the card from here. So over here you can put the cards that you frequently use on day-to-day basis, and that is why this is the wallet that I also very much enjoy carrying, especially when I'm traveling. Moving to the next wallet, this is again by an Indian company. The company is called the Quick Brown Fox, and I love their logo. So this has a lot of card slots. It has 1, 2, 3 card slots over here, 4 card slots over here, 3 card slots over here, so you can actually put more than 10 cards. For the ID you have again one look through window, and on the back you can put cash, and there are actually 2 pockets for cash. So this is usually I keep in my bag when I'm traveling to a different country. So over here I can put cash for, let's say if I'm traveling multiple countries, so let's say Singapore and Thailand, over here I can put Singapore dollars, over here I can put Thai baht, and then I can put my credit card, debit card, lounge card, health insurance card, traveler's card, local card, and over here I can put in some coins. I also enjoy this wallet because I usually carry one YubiKey with me. If you know, I carry YubiKey for two-factor authentication, and this can live in here pretty easily. And even after that, this wallet is really slim. The leather is like, I think, the best of all the leather of all the wallet. Again, an Indian company, an Indian designer. You can buy this wallet on the website. I'm not really sure if they still sell it because I got it for like 3 years back and it's still going strong. I really like it. Great material, so do check it out. Alright, the last wallet I wanted to show you is by another Indian company. It's called the Leather Chef, and this wallet is again, it can carry multiple cards but still have this sleek and overall sexy looking form factor. So on the back you have 3 different card slots, and it is diagonal, so it looks really good. So these card slots are your quick use cards, so you can put over here your traveler's card, your identification, or anything that you want to quickly accessible. So if you open this wallet, it has 2 buttons. It's open up, and over here you can find 2 more card slots like these. And the best part about this wallet is this slot where you can carry cash, and this one slot over here where you can carry let's say your photo. So in this slot I usually put in some cash and my YubiKey, and I take it with me because it's again very sleek. The material is also very good. I love the color, the tan finish, and yeah, made by another Indian company, the Leather Chef, so do check them out. Alright, so that was all about my wallets collection. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. Let me know which one is your favorite wallet among all the wallets I showed in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, do drop a like below, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.